Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I've got a Canada Goose unboxing today. So we've got a new jacket. This is, really long overdue. Should have done this ages ago. So just found some time to do this video. So I'll just show you guys. I've cut the box open that it came in from over here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to open it out. There you can see Canada Goose. I'm going to make this as brief as I can because I know that it's a bit annoying. Let's move this box out of the way. And we have the Canada Goose black box. Excellent. So, as you open it, the first thing that we're greeted with is the black label tags. Okay, this is a black label Canada Goose Matilan Parker. So if I just show you that focuses in, it's a Canada Goose tag, and that's of course a receipt. So I'll put that to the side. I'm showing you there, and this is like a little pocket pouch that it came. So let me just take the jacket out for you guys, and let's show you guys quickly what it's all about. So this is the Canada Goose Matilan Parker. So it's the one with the 4 front pockets, as you guys can see. I'll just show you, open the zip up, show you inside as well. So this is a size small, black label. As you can see, it's brand new. Black label, size small. So that's the style name, the size, the color, etc. And of course you've got the hologram. So this is the, let's make that focus on that. That's the 2018 hologram that they have been using, and of course it's quality assurance Denmark, Canada. Okay. So let me just show you the arm badge. So you can see that's nice and clearly Canada Goose Matilan Parker. Fit wise, it's a very lovely fit. And I'll be talking more about the fit and quality and condition, etc. In a later video, a review that I'll bring out very shortly. But other than that, the build quality and the feel of everything and the material is really luxury. It's really superior. You can tell that once again. There's details that this is the black label Canada Goose. Focus in. Yes or no focus. It's not focusing. There we go. So that's a black label jacket there. I mean, you can see inside it is a down fill. The specific statistics regarding this jacket, you'll be better off having a look at the Canada Goose website rather than me telling you. But of course, it's got these 2 zips here. You can just zip up and down. So it's not so tight near around the love handle area. You can loosen it out like that. So it's a beautiful looking jacket. It's got plenty of compartments in terms of pockets. So it's got a pocket there. Let's put this back in there to make sure. And overall, it's a beautiful coat. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Please stay tuned for the review of the jacket, which is shortly coming. And thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.